this time let's end this live stream. You can stop it here, but officially you need to stop it up here. Let's just try to stop it via OBS and wait for it to stop. The feed will stop from here, and it went loading. So it's not going to stop until you click the end stream button up here. So let's just end stream and wait for it, and boom. Okay, so we're going back to the OBS studio, and today we're going to do a go live of a video slide which is already an MP4. So let's add that source. For example, what we've got here is the media source or the image slideshow. Let's hide this, we don't want to use this. And let's add a new source here. Let's click media source, and we're going to call this video loop. Click OK. Another pop-up comes out. Let's browse for local file. Let's go up a bit and let's open a video here. Okay, this is a video loop. It's the same video loop as the photo slide. So let's just click OK here, and as you can see, it's the same. It's a video loop that I've created using a video editing software. So this one is an MP4 video. So if you can open it, it's already a video itself. So you can add video, you can add photos. Just make sure that when you're adding source, it is a video. You're using media source instead of image slideshow. Okay, we're not going to resize. Let's just pull it down and resize it like this way. Okay, now then let's lock it, and let's pull it down so that the subscribe button, animated GIF, and the scrolling text is on top of it. Let's just slide it down. 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay, all looks good now. And now we're going to do a live stream again. Let's set this aside down here. Let's go open our studio here. Let's create a go live video. Okay, let's try to create a scheduled one. Let's click manage here. Let's schedule a stream. Let's try to reuse this settings here. Let's just reuse. And it is scheduled. There you have it, the test StreamYard. Oh no, it's not that one. Let's just delete these two to avoid confusion. No, I'm not going to delete that. Let's just open Music LS using OBS here. Okay, there are a lot of buttons here. You can disable the auto start here. You can enable auto stop. That's why previously when we click start streaming, it went live immediately. Let's try to set this off, and there is going to be a new stream key here, so we're going to copy that and paste it in our OBS studio. So let's just copy that, but before that, let's just copy the live link here, put it up there and paste it here. It's going to be a new stream here. Okay, it says it's supposed to go live 11:15, so it says here waiting for WhiteBeanieGuy. Let's go back to our studio, copy the stream key, and go back to our OBS studio. Let's go to our stream key and paste the new key here. Click OK. Okay, what happened? Where are my videos? It's not showing. Something went wrong here. I think we missed to add to check the loop icon there. So let's go back to our video loop here, and yep, I missed to click the loop checkbox here. Let's click that, click OK, and boom, it's back and ready to stream. Let's minimize this down here. So if we click start stream, it will appear up here in our YouTube studio, and then 7 to 10 seconds later it will appear in the live. Okay, let's click start stream now. Wait for it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, there it is. And remember, we set the auto start to off, or we disable it. That's why we have the go live button here right now. That means it will still wait for you to click the go live button before it goes live to YouTube. But now we're going to click go live. Okay, 3, 4. Okay, it says you're live. Okay, wait for it, and it's going to send the feed somewhere there. Okay, it's muted. Let's just unmute. And I'm hearing a music. Okay, so that's how you create live stream using OBS Studio, music live stream for using OBS Studio. I hope you learned something. If you haven't watched the tips on how to do music live stream and reach your 4,000 watch hours, you can check it in the link above. And this will only work for YouTubers with laptop or PC or Mac. This will not work on mobile. So again, that's about it in this tutorial. So again, all you need to do to end this live is just click the end stream up here so that it will end. It's going to end. There it is, it ended. So we're going to stop streaming here.